Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make pom-pom. I use this pom-pom for the beanie. And first, we take your pom-pom maker and join them like this, and then take some strands of yarn, and then we will roll the yarn around the pom-pom maker. Just do this as many as you want. Make sure that you roll the yarn until it is fluffy enough, and then we will secure it and cut the yarn like this, and then take a piece of yarn about 20 or 30 centimeters, and then we will cut the pom-pom like this. Okay, slowly. It is very easy. The pom-pom is about 5.5 centimeters, so it is big enough for the beanie. I have shared the tutorial to make pom-pom before, but the small pom-pom. Okay, after this we will tie like this, insert the yarn, and then tie with a simple knot, pull tight, again pull, and then tie it again at the other side like this to make sure it is secured. One more. Okay, and then we will take the pom-pom maker like this, open the seal, okay, here is the pom-pom. To make it pretty, we need to trim the pom-pom. Trim it evenly with scissors. Keep trimming. Okay, the result should be like this. You can keep trimming if you want smaller pom-pom. Okay, here it is. The pom-pom is ready to put on the top of the beanie. Okay, by using your tapestry needle, we will sew the pom-pom to the beanie. Insert the yarn, and then take the beanie. The tutorial for this beanie is available on my channel. Okay, we will attach right in the middle of the top of the beanie like this. Okay, and then we can tie with simple knot like this. Again, one more. Okay, pull, and then cut the tails. And the beanie is ready. It's very easy. See you again at the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.